If you can't afford an Apple Watch or you're looking for something cheaper that can do exactly what this can, I have something for you. It's called the Vibeat Smartwatch. And if you don't want fossil, this could be your alternative. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright y'all, what's up? It's me, Everything Track, back at it again. Now I do have a video to give you all, and this is going to be a sponsored video, and it's from Vibeat. So Vibeat has a smartwatch. It's called Smartwatch, your sports partner. This watch is going to be the alternative to Apple Watch, and I want to see if it can hold up to what Apple Watch can do. But with the price that it is, I'm going to compare it more to a Fitbit Versa. If you're more into fitness, this will be it right here, because as it does say, it's a smartwatch, but it's your sports partner. So that's why they have me doing this unboxing for you all. And on the side of it, as you can tell, it has a cloud watch face, a 1.69 color display. We have a heart rate monitor, which actually my Apple Watch SE2, this is the Apple Watch SE2, it does check your heart rate, but it doesn't have that heart rate app that you all remember if you have the Series 8. So you have the Series 8, you know what I'm talking about, but on this one it does. So if you're into swimming, this is IP68 resistant, so I'm pretty sure you can go a couple meters in water. It has a blood oxygen monitoring app, which this does as well if you have the Series 8. 60 sports modes, that's a lot of modes, so I want to test that out. It does have Bluetooth call, and it does have long battery life. Now it doesn't specify how long it is, but we'll check it out. And on the top there's nothing. On this side it just has the product placement right here, Vibeat. You have to get the app right here. It has the colors down here. And on the bottom there's nothing, and on the back there's some information. Let's go ahead and open it real quick. So we have the top open, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. Let's see what we got down. And right here we have the watch. And by the way, I just want you all to know that this watch right here is going to be in the detailed description box below. You're going to use my code and be able to get this watch, so that way you help out the company and myself. And right now it's $89. I'm going to show you right here, $89, but you use the link down, and you also get a code that you'll be able to use for 30% off, new 30, and it'll be down to $60. So again, if you don't want to spend that money on this Apple Watch, and you don't really want a Fitbit Versa because of the limited capacity that's on, then I think this would be a good version right here for you to get. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, so right here has the function button, long press to turn on. So we're going to do that. We're going to take this off, see if it has any juice. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So I set up the watch. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get this app right here. It's called the VeryFit app, and it's able to be downloaded on your Apple device or Android device. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna log in. It's gonna ask for information, the same as if you have a Fitbit or iWatch or whatever smartwatch you have. It's gonna ask for your height, weight. It's gonna ask you to register. I didn't register, nor did I use my contacts, but what happens is it does get notifications the same as your iWatch. So I have it disabled because in calls you can do it, but I went ahead and did not do it simply for the purposes of this video, to hurry up and get it recorded. This is the app you'll use. It has Alexa, so you can use Hey Alexa as well. It checks your heart rate, notifications. You set an alarm, calls. You have a face watch market right here. So again, like the Apple Watch app, you're able to choose a face. So we're gonna go ahead and choose. I already have a face, but as you can tell right here, and again, it's called the VeryFit app. You're gonna have to download this, and it's gonna connect by Bluetooth, or it's gonna have a QR code that's on the watch when you swipe over, and it's very self-explanatory. So right here, you go up here, as your battery percentage is 78%. You can't, like I said before, you can connect, but I'm not connected right now. And right here just has your battery life instructions, delete device, restart the device. So you know, if you end up getting a new one, this is how you would get rid of it. The ID number for it. So yeah, this app is very simple, so shouldn't really be too hard. And right here you have your home. It has like the awards and stuff, same as Apple. Family members, you can add them, exercise. So if you ever go running anywhere, then you can do this. Same as Apple, you know, Fitbit. So again, this is really good if you want to be you don't want to spend all that extra money. I think this is a good buy right here. But let's get into the watch real quick. I just like to say this is a good build, especially for the price. This is actually a pretty decent build. So the charger that comes with it, this is actually going to be the heart monitor. Now I know if you have an Apple Watch like mine, for example, I'm going to show you right here. Show you the difference. This is my Apple Watch Series SE2. It just came out last year. As you can tell, the buttons are on the same side. The screen is actually bigger. So the screen is bigger. This is more like a 42 millimeter. This is a 40 millimeter. This could be like more of a 44. On the side, you have your speakers. You can see, and same as Apple Watch, you have your speakers right here. But the way you charge it, unlike the Apple Watch, which is right here, on here you charge it right here. So it's like a little connector. You're going to charge it right there. You're going to put it on there. It's going to connect. So it has, you can tell it has just a Vibeat logo. Sorry you can't see that. All right, I have the watch on now, and right here, as you can tell, it has the steps right here. It basically looks like an Apple Watch. Like, it really looks like my Apple Watch. So we're inside the Apple Watch now. It doesn't have a rotator. There's no rotator like the Apple Watch, but it has your health data, exercise, Alexa, phone, exercise record, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, breathe training, sleep, weather. Let's get into that. I don't have that set up at the moment. Music, so you can listen to music, pause, download it, whatever you want to do when you're connected. You have a clock, noise. So this is like the decimal thing. See, it's like on the Apple Watch, whenever it gets too loud, it's gonna notify you as well. Flashlight, I don't know if that works or not. Tap to open. Okay, it's like SOS. You can find your phone, and it has its own settings. So it has the wake gesture. I guess you can like do that. Do not disturb, Bluetooth settings, app view. So you can change the view. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. Watch faces, you can change it right here, and you can choose to put the watch faces that it has, and it does make a vibrate noise as well to let you know that you are moving back and forth. Pretty sure you can turn it off. We're gonna keep the one that we already have. Let's keep going. And for the price, again, it's $89, but if you use the code, it'd be $69 or $59, and it's moving pretty good actually for the price. Power off, restart, reset, and it has the about. You can check the information. You can use the help as well if you need help figure out what you're trying to do. So again, this is a good watch, especially for the price. I believe this is a good watch. It's pretty simple. It's pretty snappy for the price. Again, I want to put that in perspective. You can go to Apple Watch for $400. You can get this for $60. So if you don't want to spend that much money, this is definitely a good buy right here. So y'all let me know in the comment section below what you think. I think it's pretty good. It feels pretty good. It has everything you need. If you're not like, if you just want to keep it simple, just run, go work out, you know, text, use your phone, you know, everything's right here. So it's pretty good. I would get this over a Fitbit if I knew any better, if this came out beforehand. But I do believe that this is competitive against the Apple Watch, especially for the price. It does what you need. It just doesn't cost as much, you know. So this is definitely something I would get. And again, use this link below in the description box. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all later. All right.